Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, February 22nd, 2018. Looking at homework for this evening. You have practice 10.2 if you are in the 7th period math class. However, if you were in 2nd period, you have 10.1 and 10.2. We have a units retake on Friday. Tomorrow is going to be the last opportunity to take the units, last opportunity to bring up your grade. Science, lesson review, page 291. Social studies, there is no homework. Language arts, we have chapter 11 from the Watsons Go to Birmingham. Make sure you're doing your notes and also your journal. In literature, you need to continue to read your AR. Our points are due for this quarter on March 16th. You also need to make sure that you are studying your vocabulary. One other reminder, tonight is our second and final set of parent-teacher conferences from 4 to 7:30. So if you have a conference, make sure that you are there with a parent. That's it for this evening. Have a good one.